In this test case example, we will be using a bank policy to demonstrate a common access control error called leak privilege. This error occurs when a subject is being authorized wrongful access to prohibited resources. This error is typically caused due to mistaken privilege assignment directly or careless privilege inheritance indirectly. For example, let's say resource document P contains sensitive company information. Due to this, the resource has several subjects who are able to view the document, but only a few who can edit it. The access control policy author mistakenly assigns a subject permission to view and edit this resource when the subject should only be able to view it. The new subject begins viewing the resource and, without realizing they should not, begins making changes. This type of error can cause significant security concerns for organizations. A privilege leak could result in a data breach, or, such as in our example, could lead to a subject mistakenly taking action on company resources. If we quickly glance at our setup of this example, we'll notice we have several subject, resource, and action attributes, as well as 3 ABAC policies to demonstrate this leak privilege error. 2 of our ABAC policies, bank teller policy and loan officer policy, have rule combination algorithms and policy enforcement algorithms as deny overrides and deny bias respectively. F-manager policy has a rule combination algorithm and policy enforcement algorithm of permit overrides and permit bias respectively. Bank teller policy has 30 rules, loan officer policy has 24 rules, and F-manager policy has 12 rules. Next, we will quickly look at the security requirement schema we will use for testing in this example. We have 6 individual security requirements testing if bank teller subjects, teller 1, teller 2, and teller 3 are able to approve loan info resources, so customer 1 loan or customer 2 loan. Hence, we get 2 requirements each for our 3 subjects to get us to a total of 6 requirements. Let's assume our organization intends that all bank teller subjects should not be able to approve loan info resources. Let's run one single policy verification so we can see if our bank teller subjects are able to approve these loan info resources. We will click Model Verification, New Policy Verification, Test Case 1, Bank Teller Policy, Single Policy, and then we will click Add. We will see 6 verification results for our 6 individual security requirements contained in our Test Case 1 schema. As you can see, our results are all false except for one of our security requirements. This true result means that based on our policies, Teller 2 is experiencing a leak privilege error. To understand why we have generated these results, we can click on our specific verification results to see which policy rules are matched with them. Since we already know which result is generating an unintended decision, let's solely look at the match result for this true verification. Taking a look, we'll see that in the bank teller policy, we have mistakenly created a rule permitting teller 2 to approve customer 2 loan. We can resolve this policy flaw by simply updating this mistakenly defined rule. We can find this specific rule in the bank teller policy and modify it to now have a deny decision. We can do this by right-clicking the rule, selecting Update Rule, and then changing the decision from Permit to Deny and clicking Update. Now we will right-click our verification results and select Refresh, and we will see that this leak privilege error is no longer occurring. You can download this completed Bank Test Case 1 project file on the Security Policy Tool website. Thank you.